Welcome back on this Friday morning. So we have an unseasonably warm weekend. We'll have some showers and thunder showers also move in ahead of our next warm front that comes in tomorrow. That could also lead to some issues with water this weekend. We're potentially going to see some ponding of water in some areas, some other hazards as well. But this is kind of how it looks for today. Not too bad in some places, right? So 50s inland as we head into this afternoon, coolest along the shorelines of the Great Lakes. Same for tomorrow afternoon, except that tomorrow afternoon we bump up those temperatures significantly. A lot of areas are going to be in the 50s, and then areas along the Wisconsin state line will be in the 60s tomorrow afternoon. It's going to feel really nice out there. And then similar story as we head into Sunday as well. This is why, and the setup to kind of lead to all of that. We are going to see our next disturbance kind of come in out of the west. It's kind of developing all the way over into Wyoming. But ahead of it, what we have seen and what we will see is strong south and southwest wind flow. It's going to bring in some warm air and some moist air out of the south and the southwest. So ahead of this warm front that'll move in tomorrow, you see those showers and thunderstorms have already been firing up over in the Dakotas, Minnesota, down into Iowa and into Illinois. This is kind of how it looks as we head into the weekend as it evolves. Round one of the rain, a break. Round two of the rain, a break. And then eventually that cold front will move through for Sunday night into Monday. Behind it, we'll see a cool down. But here's a closer look at that rain as it moves in. We're going to start it off at about 5:30 this afternoon. By that point in time, clouds will be increasing. We'll really start to see the cloud cover increase. And then tonight, the first and initial swath of rain moves in. This is about 2 o'clock in the morning, where we will likely have moderate to heavy downpours at times and some embedded thunder showers as well. Don't be surprised if you start to hear some rumbles of thunder, some gusty winds, and maybe even a little bit of lightning with this. Now, a lot of these could easily produce a lot of rain. That swath will exit out of the area by about mid-morning tomorrow. Here's 9:30 in the morning. There will still be some spotty rain showers around with cloudy skies and breezy south and southeast winds. Here we go for tomorrow afternoon and into the evening. So kind of a break from that rain, but another round rolls in as we head into tomorrow night into Sunday morning. So damp conditions throughout the weekend, and some of those rivers could potentially see some higher water levels. We're going to have warmer temperatures. Snow is going to melt. That's going to add on to that. And plus you couple that with the rain that's going to move in throughout the weekend, and we'll easily potentially have some localized flooding in some areas near rivers and potentially some ponding of water. So keep that in mind as you're traveling across the area. Behind that front in that system, we're going to see a cool down. We'll be right around 40 degrees for this upcoming Monday, potentially some light snow.